If you've never liked cassava, it's because no one has ever cooked it for you like this. To begin with, we'll need 4 pieces of cassava. I'll cut them in half and then remove the peels. Then we'll cut each half in half again. I'm doing this to remove the hard part in the center. And we're going to do this with all the cassava pieces. We'll put them in a saucepan and then cover them with water. Once that's done, I'm going to arrange the cassava here. And we'll cook these yuccas for 20 minutes after they've come to the boil. That's it. Our yuccas are already cooked. They're melting. Let's drain the water. And put the cassava in a bowl. Now take a potato masher or a fork and mash the cassava. We'll mash the cassava very well until it's completely broken down. Once the cassava has been mashed, add a whole egg, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a generous tablespoon of butter. And now we can stir these ingredients together until the cassava becomes a homogeneous mass. And it's a very malleable dough, very easy to stir. Look at the texture, people. It's wonderful. Now let's set the dough aside and then grate 200 grams of mozzarella cheese. Once that's done, we'll set the mozzarella aside too. Now take a portion of the cassava dough and roll it into a ball. It looks like this. Continue by placing this ball on a piece of plastic wrap, and we'll open up the dough by squeezing it with our hands. At this point, we're going to fill it with mozzarella cheese, and the amount is to taste. The plastic wrap is to help us assemble our snack. We'll fold it on one side and knead it like this. Then fold the other side over and close it in the same way as I'm doing here. Then just press it down like this to close it completely. Next, we'll fry it in hot fat. This recipe has become a favorite here at home. We let it fry on both sides and it's already golden brown. Look how delicious this cassava recipe turned out. It yielded 4 very generous portions. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. Look at that, my loves. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.